These are Jamaican words that my friends taught me in patois. The first one on the list is batigal. Batigal. They told me it means a pretty girl. So whenever you see a pretty girl, you be like, "What's up, batigal?" Or you can say it with man too. They told me, what was it? Batiman. Yeah, so whenever you see a batiman, you be like, "What's up, batiman? Hey, batiman." I can't wait to use these words in Jamaica. Second on my list is sakumuma. Sakumuma. Whenever I see my friend, it means to tell your mom hi. It means tell her hi and everything. No wonder it says muma. Whenever I say my friend, I say, "Hey girl, sakumuma." Sakumuma. Last but not least on my list is bumbo pussy rasclad. Bumbo pussy rasclad. What that means is when you see a big cat, and I love cats. Like, if you see my video, I love cats. And that means a big cat. So every time I see a cat, I'd be like, "Bumbo pussy rasclad! Bumbo pussy rasclad! Bumbo pussy rasclad."